Hello students. So now let's talk about formal charges. So what is a formal charge? A formal charge is nothing but a way to cross check if your Lewis representation of molecule is correct or not. It is a way to keep track of the valence electron, or by this we are tracking the valence electron. So what is a formal charge? Formal charge is the summation of valence electron minus lone pair electron minus 1 by 2 of shared pair electron. Means, suppose in a molecule or an atom, the number of valence electron is 6 and number of lone pair electron is 2 and number of shared electron is also 2, then the formal charge will be 6 minus 2 4 minus 1 3 plus 3. So we'll see with an example how to calculate the formal charge. In the molecule of ozone, there are 3 numbers of oxygen atom. So I can write the molecular structure like this. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this oxygen atom has 3 bonds, 1, 2, 3. So there are 6 electrons plus 2, 8 electrons. The octet of this oxygen atom is complete. For this oxygen atom, it has 2 bonds. So 4 electrons plus 2 lone pair electrons. This is called lone pair electron, this one. Okay. These 2 electrons are called lone pair, means these are not participating in the chemical bond, but other electrons are participating. So that is called shared electron. So for let's consider this first oxygen atom. So the number of valence electron for oxygen is 6 minus number of lone pair electron is 2. These 2 electrons are not participating in the bond, but all the electrons are participating. Minus 1 by 2 into number of shared electron. There are 1, 2, 3. So there are 1, 2 and 3 bonds, means 6 numbers of shared electrons. So the formal charge will be 6 minus 2, 4 minus 3 is equal to plus 1. For this oxygen, the formal charge is plus 1. So now coming to the molecule number 2. For this oxygen, the number of valence electron is 6. Number of lone pair electrons are 1, 2, 3, 4. And number of shared electrons are 4. So the total is 0. Means on this oxygen there is no formal charges. Now coming to this oxygen number 3. The number of valence electron is 6. The number of lone pair electron is 6. The number of shared electron is 2. So the formal charge is minus 1. So there is a minus 1 charge in the third oxygen molecule. So this plus minus gets cancelled. So the purpose of calculating formal charge is that the Lewis structure should have the minimum formal charge on all the atoms. Means if suppose the formal charge of this oxygen could be 2, means there is one more bond, you can say. The formal charge will be 6 minus 2, 4 minus 2. So it will be plus 2. So if I write the Lewis structure of ozone molecule like this, then it will be wrong because the formal charge can be plus 1. If I delete this bond. So all the time we have to maintain that the formal charge should be minimum and the octet should be complete. If I draw one more bond here, there is more number of electrons present in the oxygen, this oxygen. There are now 10 number of electrons. And here also there is a problem of electrons or the shortage of electron in this oxygen. So therefore this second bond is not necessary. So you can cross check the Lewis structures like this by using formal charges, but these are not real charges. Okay, this is only for representation. It does not mean that this oxygen has a negative charge and this oxygen has a positive charge. Even as I have said that there are resonating structures, means this bond can be present here. Okay, so now this oxygen will have minus 1 charge and this will have 0 and this will have plus 1. And it can happen also like this. So now this oxygen will have plus 1 charge, this will be 0 and this will be minus 1. So there are many possibilities, but the basic structure will be like this. So the formal charge or Lewis representation does not represent the actual charge on the molecule. Okay, this is only to keep track of the valence electron. This minus charge means there is an excess of electron here. This plus charge means there is a missing one electron, means it needs one more electron. And in the next classes we will see about the limitation of the octet rule, because right now everything that we have studied is following the octet rule, means in the outer shell there should be 8 number of electrons. All the atoms are following, all the molecules try to follow this rule, but there are some limitation of this rule we'll see in the coming classes.